Hello, friends, and welcome back to Coop. Coop is a place where we talk about travel, luxury, lifestyle, planning, and everyday entertaining. So, today we are going to film my November monthly plan with me. So, get your coffee, get your snacks, whatever you need as you sit back and plan with me for the month of November. So, November is one of my favorite months for a few reasons. My birthday is in November, and then also November is the month of Thanksgiving, which is my favorite holiday. So, let's start off with getting planned for the month of November. There is a sticker that I have been waiting to use from the seasonal sticker book from the Happy Planner and Wrong Wrong. And that sticker is this one of these ladies that have both their shopping bags, and then they're bringing in like a pie for dessert. I've been waiting to use that for November because I said that right there represents Thanksgiving. And that's pretty much the end of that. Oh, there's a few sparkles on the page. So I'm just going to grab those off because then that will end the page. And I'll just add those to my spread as well. And then I'm just taking a look. I do like this thankful sticker. If that works out, I'll add that as well. And yeah, I'm just looking through to see if there's anything that I might want to add. I might use this family dinner sticker. I like that. And we'll just keep going through. Okay, so we'll leave this one out because we might come back to it for something else, but I'll go ahead and add in these little sparkles to the page. Why not? And I'll put these ladies right over here. No, I don't want the pie off the page. Let me bring them in just a little closer. Here. There we go. Oh, they're so cute. All right, let me start with the functional stuff before I get too decorative. I just know I wanted to use that sticker for sure. So let's just start off with some of our holidays that we have. We have falling back on daylight savings. We have Veterans Day. We have Election Day. We have Thanksgiving, of course, Black Friday. All of those wonderful holidays that come up during this season. So I think these boxes might be a little too small for me to, put the holidays in. I'll use those for some of my bigger boxes. But what I will do is find some way to mark the dates that are important to me. And so I have these little light tan orange type of boxes that I think that I will use here on these important dates. So this right here will be daylight savings time. And I'm gonna alternate how the little arrow points. This one will be election day. This one will be Veterans Day. And I think I have a sticker that I want to use for Thanksgiving and also for my birthday. So let's find my Thanksgiving sticker. Here's another one that I was saving for Thanksgiving. It says, have a thankful heart. And that is from the Essential Seasons Happy Planner book. And so I am going to use my whiteout here, and whiteout because this is a clear sticker where it says Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna white out any other things around it because this is pretty big. Yep. So I'm gonna also do the line. And the 30th and this line here. This. Yep. And this will be my Thanksgiving sticker. I like that. And then the 19th is my birthday. And so I'm gonna find a birthday sticker in that same color family. I'm coming from the same Essential Seasons book, and there are all of these stickers. And I'm torn between either the mustardy color one or the burgundy one. And I think I'm gonna go with the mustard. And put birthday right there. And when I start writing in, I'll just put my birthday. I like that. And then I think I'm going to just start writing in all of the things that I know that I need to do for the month. And then I'll come back and do a little bit more decorating. Going to put this month down for things that I need to plan on in the month of December. And so I'm going to pick these sparkles up, and I'm going to use the whiteout here and then just do that. So lately, one of the things that I've liked to do is future logs. And so I'm just going to put December here, and then I can write down any future dates that I have in December. So you will notice that I put in 2 appointment stickers. I have 1 appointment on the 7th and 2 appointments on the 9th. So I just plug those in right there so that I can fill those in. And now for a little fun decorating. So I love this sweater weather sticker. It coordinates with everything. So I'm just going to throw this in here, I think. And then I'm gonna go with this seasonal fall book from the Happy Planner and see if there are any things in here that I want to use. I definitely think I want to use these beautiful fall vine type leaves just here. And down here. Oh, I love this. I can use this to write in just a little gratitude list here. So just a today I'm grateful for sticker. And I can use that there to write what I'm grateful for. I don't have many leaves left, but I'm just gonna pop in a few fall leaves wherever I find space out of the leaves that I have. I really was intentional this year about using up the sticker books that I had before purchasing new for 2024. And I've done fairly well with using up my stickers. So my sticker books are quite thin, and that's what I wanted. I'm just gonna also write in my paydays. And then I'm gonna be out of town. And so I just want to notate that. This is actually a bullet strip, but I'm going to use it to notate the days that I'm going to be out of town, which will be these days. Let's see. I'm gonna rip it like it's washi. So you have the torn edge. Also continuing on this side to Thursday. And I'll just rip it before I lay it down. Rip it a little bit more, a little shorter. Okay, and then on the last day of the month, I like to close out my budget for the month. And so if any other monthly appointments arise, I will add them into my monthly spread, because I really do. I hear a lot of people on YouTube saying, oh, I don't use my monthly, this and that, but I really do use my monthly because it helps me to plan my weeklies. And so my monthly is really important to me, and I like to get it right and get all of the things in that are the big, major, important things. And then meetings that happen throughout the week, I put on my weeklies. So I'm really excited about finishing up my spread for the month of November. Here it is. I think I might also add one more thing, and that is a November sticker, just to make November stand out a little bit more. And this is just a paper sticker that has gold foil. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but I'm going to add that in over the month of November. I'm going to move it down just a little bit. And that's our monthly spread for the month of November. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you would like to talk a little bit more, please comment down below. And I can't wait to share with you my January planner lineup, or really my 2024 planner lineup. That's going to be a great video because I'm completely changing my planner system. I've been doing a lot of research towards the end of the year, and I have also been purchasing some supplies for the new planner system that I am going to be undertaking. And so I cannot wait to share with you. You'll see that in a few weeks of my new system for planning. But thanks again. Please comment, like, and subscribe down below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.